This one mistake could honestly cost you $1,000 or more just by ignoring the noise. Common sound that is a little bit more concerning would be your condenser fan motor. Sometimes your condenser fan motor, there's gonna be bearings within that motor. You can kind of hear a grinding sound or a screeching sound. That is telltale sign that your condenser fan motor might be wearing out. Anything mechanical components, they are actually designed to make very loud noises when things are wrong. Anytime your system makes a mechanical sounding malfunction, metal on metal, screeching, stuff like that, that is a design feature to actually take notice and take action. Ignoring this is the worst thing you can do.